Hello everyone, welcome to Careers 360. Dear ones, if your dream is to become a world-class scientist at institutes like NISER or UMDAE CEBS, the journey starts today. The NEST 2026 application form is officially live, and this is your gateway to a fully funded integrated MSc program. Over here at Careers 360, we have covered this particular news which says that the NISER Bhubaneswar and UMDAE CEBS has activated the link for NEST 2026 application form on January 5th. That means today. Aspirants can fill the NEST application form 2026 through its official website at nestexam.in. Candidates are advised to read the NEST eligibility criteria before filling out the registration form. Students have to fill in the required details, upload the required documents of NEST application form 2026 by April 6. Candidates who have submitted their application within the deadline can pay the NEST 2026 registration fee by April 12. Moving ahead, we can just have a look out over here regarding the NEST application forms. Over here, there are the important dates basically. The NEST 2026 application form day, that is today, January 5th, 2026. The NEST 2026 exam form last date is April 6, 2026. NEST application fee last date 2026 is April 12. The NEST 2026 application correction starts from April 13 and so on and so forth. You can have a look over here. Fine people, talking about the criteria. Before completing the application form, candidates have to review the NEST exam 2026 eligibility criteria. The NEST eligibility criteria is the bare minimum that candidate must meet in order to be considered for admissions. Okay, so over here you can have a look. If I talk about the criteria, basically have a look. The criteria for your NEST examination herein. There are two important factors on which eligibility criteria of NEST 2026 depends. First is the educational qualification and the other one is the age limit. So the student should complete their 10+2 education from any recognized institution. They must have completed their 12th in the science stream with physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. Talking about the age limit, there is no upper age limit to appear for the NEST 2026 examination. The minimum marks required for NEST is 60% in the class 12th or its equivalent examination. There is a relaxation of 5% for the candidates belonging to the reserved category. Over here, who is eligible for the NEST entrance examination 2026. So, the candidates who fulfill the eligibility criteria for the NEST examination, they are eligible to appear. Talking about NEST reservation criteria. So, the seats will be reserved for categories like OBC, NCL, SC, ST, PWD and supernumerary quota seats for the candidates who are from Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, herein you can have a look onto the every detail that has been written over here in this news article. Dear ones, what I literally want to talk about now is that you need to keep your documents actually ready for filling the NEST application. The scanned copy of passport size photograph, high school mark sheet or certificates, banking details, intermediate mark sheet / certificate, scanned copy of the signature. Clear? So dear ones, don't wait until the April 6th deadline. Head over to nestexam.in right now, get your documents ready and take the first step towards a career in pure science. All the very best.